What's up guys, English Dan back with another video. I know it's election night, but let's take a break from all that. It's been all week just driving me nuts. So here we have the brand new Jabra Elite 85T. Now, if you've watched my videos over this last couple of years, you'll know that I loved the 65T and I loved the 75T. This is the new 85T. These are $229, so they have gone up in price this time, but they do offer some more features. So what we're going to do here is unbox these and have a first look at what they look like, and then in a few days, a week maybe, I'll come back with a review. But yeah, so as you can see on the box, Jabra Elite 85T, Jabra Advanced Active Noise Cancellation. That's on the front of the box. On the side, designed and engineered in Copenhagen. On the back, adjustable ANC and hear-through. Hear-through is the passive, so you know when you want the microphones on so you can hear what's around you and your surroundings. I think that's a really important feature with earbuds. Up to 5.5 hours battery life, 25 with the case, and that's with ANC on. So that's important. In case you're thinking, that sounds quite low, that's with active noise cancelling on. I'm sorry if you can hear scraping. My neighbours have decided at 7 o'clock in the evening to start doing concrete work. Anyway, let's get through this. 12mm speaker for big sound and powerful bass. One thing about the 75Ts is they did pack a punch. Absolutely. Fast charging earbuds with a Qi certified wireless charging case. So this time the case is available to be charged wirelessly, which is awesome. 6 mics with wind protection. So phone calls on these, on paper, should be fantastic. IPX4 rated, which is, I wish it was better than that, but they do offer a 2-year warranty. So that's a good thing about Jabra. They do offer a 2-year warranty on their products. And as you can see, iPhone, Google Play, App Store, that's where you get the app from. They do have an app. The app is really good, actually. And then superior sound for 150 years. Inside this box is the new way to experience calls, music, and the way you hear the world around you. Basically, they're pumping these things up to be rather special, and I hope they are, because the other ones were. As you can see, I've not opened the box at all. These have only just come in, so let's crack in here. Pull this little tab. We'll just stick that tab up there for now, and they just, oh, there's another tab this side, excuse me. Let's do that. We'll stick that tab up there, and then these should just slide out the bottom. Thoughtfully designed, purposely engineered, expertly built. It's just a white box that they come in. As you can see, it's a tab on this side. So we'll grab hold of this tab. Opens like a book. Our commitment to sustainability. This sustainable packaging is 100% recyclable. Bonus. Well done, Jabra. That is awesome. Welcome to Superior Sound. Get started. Tells you to download the free Jabra Sound Plus app, and you connect that to your phone. You can personalize your calls and music experience, and then you make sure you register your earbuds. That way you get your 2-year warranty against dust and water. That's really important. So on this side, it's just telling you that the Jabras go in the case this way. You pull them out that way, download the free app, and then in here is the case. Very similar to the last case, but I do believe it's wider. I think it's a wider case. There's the earbuds straight away, but we'll look at them in a second. What else do we get in this box? So we get the ear tips that are in here. So we get the ear tips in here. So you get a choice of ear tips. There's some already on the earbuds, and then you get another 2 pairs. And if you can see, I don't know whether you can see that. Let me see if I can get this up close to. There's like a mesh inside, so that's pretty cool. It protects any big chunks of whatever getting stuck in there and going into your actual earbuds. Not bad at all. And then another thing in here is your USB cable. That is really short. That's a really short cable. USB-C. And I think that's about it. Obviously you get your paperwork, but that is it. It's a very slim unboxing. Well, anyway, let's have a look at the earbuds. That's what we're here for. As well as the man in the background scraping his shovel across the floor. I've been watching Dexter recently, so this guy needs to watch out next door. Anyway, just saying. I'm not going to go and do anything, don't worry. Let's put this box over here. So, move that cable out of the way. Here's the case. Typical Jabra. It's exactly the same. Very slippery finish. I do wish they would go with a matte finish on this case. It would be so much better. Imprinted onto the box, Jabra. That's the only logo you're going to see on this box. At the bottom has the Qi Charge logo, so you know that it's wireless. On the back, you've got your USB-C. Typical Jabra, it's a flip-top lid. You have a green LED on the front to let you know that they're charged, and let's see if the earbuds will light up. The earbuds also come on green. They actually look a lot like the 65T. They remind me a lot of that looking at these things. So now they've gone into pairing mode, we'll grab my phone and we'll pair them. Let's see how long this takes. Obviously I've got to download the app yet as well, but let's have a look. Pair new device. This is the OnePlus 8T. You will be getting a video on this soon. Look at that, bang, they're there already. Pair. Done. Paired already. So what I'm going to do now is download the app, and I'll be back with you once the app's been downloaded. Okay guys, got the app downloaded, so let's hit open. Welcome to Jabra Sound Plus. Searching for my Jabra headset, which it should be able to find because it is attached via Bluetooth. Configuring the headset. Keep your headset up to date with the latest firmware. Locate your headset with Find My Jabra. That's pretty cool. I like that. So, my sound, your tailored sound equalizer. Your hearing is unique. Now, I've seen this on a few things before. The Soundcore app has something like this, and it calibrates the sound to your ears. Does it work? Yeah, it works. Music certainly sounds different. Do I like the way it sounds over the way I set it from a regular equalizer? Not really. Well, let's give these a try. Get started. Find a quiet place. Let's find... I'm in a quiet place now because the neighbours stopped. Let's do the test quick so you can see it here. Wyatt needs to know whether I'm male or not. I do not know. Gosh, I'm old, alright? That's all you need to know. Date of birth. Great. Your phone will be muted. Okay. Wear the headset and be prepared to listen carefully. Anytime you hear a tone in the headset, tap the screen. Do not interact with the headset during the test. Test is approximately 2 minutes. Alright, well let's take you through this. And that's it done. That's set up for me. Quick start, get to know your headset. So obviously explore your headset. It's going to let us know what everything is here. So let's press there. Charging case. We already know that's a charging case. We already know that's the left earbud. That's the right earbud. Really? Come on, Jabra. Wearing the headset, done exploring. That was kind of lame. So we're done with that. Firmware update. Let's update the firmware. Okay, so you can see they've updated. I did cut out a lot of that. It does take a few minutes for that to update, so there's no point in you sitting there like me watching this yellow bar. But here's the user agreement. Automatic update. Next step, to start the headset update, place the earbuds in the charging case and close the lid. Wow, so that only downloaded the update. So it's not exactly a quick process. The charging case LED, let's have a look. There's an LED on it. There you go. The update will begin automatically. The charging case LED will stop flashing when the update is complete. It may take up to 15 minutes to update the headset, so not particularly fast. So when you get these, make sure you've got a couple, well, not a couple, you've got around 15 minutes to spare to set these up. Anyway, what I'll do now, I'll just cut away from this and I'll come back when it's updated. Alright guys, you can see the blinking light has stopped. Let me tell you, it takes every bit of 15 minutes for that update. That is insane. I've never had a set of earbuds take so long to update. Alright, so this is the app. Turn on and connect your headset. They're earbuds, bro. Earbuds. But anyway, let's put them out there. Headset has been updated. Great. So your moments, commute, focus, they had all this kind of thing in there. It tells you your left earbud is 100, your right earbud is 100, and your case is 100% charged. Active noise cancelling comes through as full blast. Hear through is also full. So then you get your music equalizer, your graphic equalizer. This is what I prefer to do instead of using the adaptive sound where it listens to your hearing. And then you get your music presets, and then soundscape, pink noise, discover, swipe to dismiss my controls, configure the button configuration as you like. Nice. So you can choose your controls, how they're going to work on the app. I'm not going to get into that too deep right now. I'll get into it on the review a little bit more. But for media, you can also do it for incoming calls. Different combinations do different things. And for ongoing calls, these are really feature rich by the looks of it. I'm very impressed so far. Find my Jabra. So this is if I'm losing my headset. I will activate it. Use while using the app. I don't know why it's done that, but whatever. Take me back. Why grant access? Be sure to... Basically, yep, there you go. It's been granted access. It's not gone away. Maybe I've done something wrong. Again, I will get into that. Register, I'll do that shortly. Don't need to do it online. Everyone knows how to register for something. Then you get the user manual and the quick start guide. And then about buy Jabra online, contact the support, view the technical, rate this app, privacy, everything like that. So I'm going to put them in my ears quick and let's have a see what they sound like. I'm going for bass, so let's see what happens with my bassy songs. YouTube music, please. So let's do my bass test is boasty. I haven't changed the tips, so they're not going to be as good as what they will be when I do it later, but here we go. Okay, so, yep, there's bass. But they also sound very different to what the Jabras normally sound like. Obviously, it's the first time I've listened to them. They need to burn in, so hopefully that's what it is. But they do not sound like Jabras normally do, let's say. Anyway, so... just a quick video, the unboxing, showing you the setup, how easy it is to set up, show you the app, show the actual earbuds, how to update the firmware. I'm going to use these now for the rest of the week, and I will see if they improve over the sound I've just heard. Obviously, I've got to put my tips on. I buy extra tips instead of using stock tips. I have a set that I really like that I used on the Pixel Buds. So I'll put them on it and see if that changes anything. But they really didn't sound like Jabra. But if you put them in my ears without me knowing they were Jabra, I'd have said, no, I don't know who makes them. Interesting. All right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Thanks.